Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on
Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? We're here. We're here ready. Ready to roll. You missed the Asia session move? I know, dude. That was crazy. That was crazy, dude. What a dump. What a dump. Dude, I caught a short somewhere in here. I think I caught might be this. I caught it somewhere in here and I caught it down on some of my accounts there. But yeah, dude, it was crazy. What's up, everybody? We got Zach Anthony in here. Let's go. Let me see. Got to rearrange some stuff over here. There we go. There we go. Well, I don't like that either. There we go. Alrighty. See what we get here, dude. Pumped up, and now we're coming back down. What's up, Joe Balazzi? What's going on? I would have liked to see us sweep this wick up here, or at least get into this zone, this purple zone. Would have been a nice reversal zone, but it might just want to come down right here. Hope not. We got our London orb marked out there. Got the London orb. That's the first 15-minute high and low. And yeah, gonna be looking for an inversion play this morning. I'm gonna be looking for an inversion. What's everybody been doing? How's everybody been doing this week? Haven't been on streaming. Been getting the Discord set up, dude. We're getting it ready. Next week I'll be live streaming inside of Discord here. It's not fully set up yet, but I got it mainly set up. I got the layout set up. So this weekend I've just got to go in and put the stuff in all the channels, all the information and stuff in the channels, and then it'll be ready. We got the Wordle right here if you want to play some Wordle. Yeah, I just got to put the stuff in there, but it's ready to go, dude. I think the layout, I'm pretty set on it. I don't think I'm going to change anything else this weekend. I might add a channel or two, but layout's pretty good right there. But yeah, I'm hoping we get a drive up into here and then a short. Maybe this is like the fake top here. We get a drive up, maybe a short back down. Or if we get something like this, if we come all the way down here and then a long back up, something like that. One of the two there is what I'm looking for. Oh, dang, Red Candles. You shorted it on a blown account? That'd be my luck. That would be my luck. Nah, motivation. I didn't. I did make 1,000 on 5 XFAs though. I made 1,000 across 5 XFAs. Now I'm about to try to trade these Tradeify accounts. About to try to trade these Tradeify. I need to update this, dude. The year payouts is off. It's off by like 20,000. Let me see. 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 4,500. It's off by 23,500. 23,500 plus 55,669. So it's 79,169. $79,169, and the total 154,597 plus 23,500, 178,094. So now it's updated. Boom. Bada boom. What do you guys think's gonna happen here? We're gonna pump it up or dump it down? We got 26 likes. It looks like we're not gonna get to the giveaway today. Gotta have 100 likes to get to the giveaway. You better share this with your mama. Get on your mom's account and a like for a giveaway. Yeah, dude, that was a dump. That was a dump. Let's go. It seems like lately, anytime we've had a move like this, the next day it just works it all the way back up. Do you think that's going to happen today? Do you guys think that's going to happen, or do you think it's going to continue down today? Sammy Sam, I'm working on the Discord here. Live streams next week are going to be in the Discord here. So, yeah. So I've been working on it this week. I got the layout set up, and now I just have to add information to all the channels, all the correct information and stuff. But all the channels are set up, and I got to do the permissions and stuff. But the layout's set up. That's the tough part for me, anyway. Finding a good layout, trying to make it look clean, but still have enough channels and stuff. What's up, P Shenanigan? What's going on, dude? What's going on, P Shenanigan? Just waiting on a setup here. Stefan, it's to keep the trolls out, buddy. To keep the trolls out. And I feel like I have a lot to offer, so if people want to troll on YouTube here, I'll just move over to Discord and take my payout somewhere else. Yo, Angel, thanks for the sub. Let's see here, man. Let's see if we get a move today. Let's see. Yep, if we get 100 likes, we're gonna do an account giveaway. Yeah, dude, it's gonna be hard for them to troll inside the Discord. Already, if you were in my Discord already, you got in for free here. Right here, premium access. You get to watch for free. That's how I gotta keep the trolls out. Gotta make. It's so sad you gotta do this kind of stuff. But if you were here on June 4th, I put a post here that said if you fire reacted to this thing, you'd be put in for free. So everybody who reacted there is in for free here. Premium access. And we're gonna be live streaming free. And you know, actually, when I start this Discord, I think I'm only gonna trade on the stream. Like I'm not. I've got to thinking about it. Like anytime I trade, I'm just gonna stream. So you'll get all of my trades. So if I get payouts, you'll get payouts if you take my trades. But you don't have to, of course. It's just for, you know, keep the trolls out. It's just to keep the trolls out. Tea, coffee, I don't know. I haven't seen you here before, buddy. You don't type in the chat a lot, I don't think. You could be one of the trollers who made an account. First time here? Well, just be active in the Discord. Join the Discord and be active in that free channel for about a week, and then I'll probably let you in. What's up, futures trader? Good morning. Yes, sir, red candles. Just be a homie in the Discord. Oh, yeah. See if we're gonna get a bounce off this this opening range here. See if we got any. We got some equal lows down here. Got some equal lows. So, yeah. I'm going to be probably looking for a short down here to these equal lows at some point. I wish it would have tapped into here first. That's why I had this marked out up here. I wanted it to come tap up into here. And then I would look for some equal lows here. You know, break this wick right here. Break the wick. Look nice. Probably still does it. It'll probably still do it. Devin, I think I'm gonna just put the daily outlook in like Slade commentary. I got to thinking about it, like, you know, because this is where I'm gonna be posting all the trade stuff. So if I just put the daily outlook in here, it'll just go well. So I removed that daily outlook channel. It's just kind of a waste. It's a waste when I could just post it in the Slade commentary. Nate's not trading today? All right, buddy. All right. But Devin, I just told you what I want to happen right here. I want these equal lows right here to be taken out. That's my outlook. Plus, like, I don't really like having a daily outlook. Like, the market's always changing, so I change with it, you know. If I in the morning, if I have like a bullish bias, but price isn't being bullish, then in the middle of the day I'd change it to bearish. Like, I'm always changing stuff when I see it. So, like, having a bias for the whole day in the morning, I don't really do that because that's not even how I trade. So I just look for, like, where's price going next? Where are these next few candles going? I can predict that very well when I get my setup. I can predict exactly where price probably is going to go most of the time. You guys want the Zelda music? Let me get it going here. Let me get it going. Let me get the Zelda music going here. There we go. The Zelda music is up. I wonder if I turn it down on here, if it'll turn. It does turn down. What's up, Trader 007? What's going on? I mean, I just put it on for the stream here. I really don't even have to have any music. I just do it for the stream. But do you guys want music or not? I kind of don't want it. Oh, dude. I just messed up here. What the heck, dude? Some people like the music, some people don't. I wish there was a way I could turn it down on my headphones though. Wish I could turn it down on my headphones. Kind of loud. If I turn it down, then it turns down the whole thing. Whatever. Somebody's in shorts here. Official Eric is in shorts. Well, let's see if that works out for you, buddy. What's monitoring? No, it's not doing that. It's playing through the browser here. But if I adjust the volume, then it adjusts. It adjusts it on OBS too. And does anybody know how to turn the Discord notifications off from the computer? Like anytime I get a message here, play some loud sound in my ear. Like I want to still get them on my phone, but I don't want to get them on the computer. Let's see here. $30 likes away from a giveaway. No, but if I mute it on the computer, then it mutes it for the stream too. That's what I'm saying. All right, let's see here, dude. Yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait on a good entry today, Devin. This 5-minute inversion would be good here. It's just I don't think it's gonna be valid here. In 4 minutes, I think it just, if it's gonna go, it'll probably just go in this candle here. See now. Could even say that if it doesn't do that, yeah, dude, this music is so loud up in my ears, dude, and I don't know how to turn it down. I got an idea though. If I just take these out. There we go. Now I can hear, dude. But now I can't hear any notifications if I get any. What's up, Futch? What's going on? What's going on? We about to catch a banger here today, dude. About to catch a banger. What's up, Madison Coverly? Good morning. Good morning. Doing a giveaway at 100 likes here. What's up, Coach Fred? Jose, what's going on? We're just waiting here on an entry. So playing on my phone here, just waiting on an entry. Let me see. Oh, look at Fudge, dude. He got in on the shorts. You got in on the shorts, dude. Let's freaking go. Oh, it was a combine. Ah, dude. I bet you wish it was an XFA. I bet you wish that was an XFA, dude. That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. Be crazy, bro. Guys, serious question here. Serious question. Should I go get a haircut today? Very serious question. Should I go get a haircut? Should I get a haircut? Or nah? A little trim? A little trim up? A little trim or is it looking good? Everybody's... Oh, it's like 50-50 right here. Oh gosh. Can of deodorant and a lighter. Adrian said grow a beard. Dude, I can't. I mean, I can. I look like Wolverine when I grow a beard. It doesn't grow right here. Like, it doesn't connect. So I look like Wolverine when I try to grow a beard. We're coming up here. Coming up here. Bro, I can't. I look like an idiot if I grow a beard. I've tried before. It looks so bad. I've got like some Indian blood in me, so I grow that Indian beard. It looks weird. I grow that Indian beard. Sergio says get a modern mullet. Dude, I might. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about it. Dude, there was this funny picture I saw of Theo Von. Anybody watch Theo Von? Dude's hilarious. Him with a mullet. Let me see if I can look it up. Dude, look at this mullet here. Theo Von. He's hilarious, dude. Golly. People saying here in the Discord. I go to straight to funded because I hate evals, dude. I hate them. They're the worst. Bit Chuckles in here. Chuckles in here in the Discord. Yeah, dude, I'm about to start posting like education and stuff. I'm gonna post my journal in here. I got a journal set up. Post some PDFs. I'm gonna stick to one strategy from now on. I used to trade just like a few different strategies. I'm gonna stick to one. So makes it very easy and mechanical and repetition wise. Still gonna go for them banger trades though. Stefan says that's more of a carpet. Dude, that's awesome, dude. I'm gonna grow my hair out like that. Sergio says, keep the back, just cut the sides. Dude, I really, the thing I don't like is the freaking front, dude. The butt part. Like, when it gets too long, it just looks weird to me. Like a little part in the middle looks fine, but then when it starts butting up too much, I like it to be a little messy, but it's hard to do that. I'm waiting on this play here, man. I mean, we got a pretty good play on this 5-minute inversion here. So, I mean, you could basically say here that this here, it's just kind of high right now. I don't really want to take it. Would be your first target, and that'd be your final target. It's just kind of high. I don't really like it, but it probably works out. Madison, short term, I'm thinking longs here up until here, but from up here, I'm going to start looking for shorts. But I will say, you know, we've had a couple of these moves the past few weeks where it just dumps off like this, and then the next day it literally just grinds it all the way. It'll do this the whole way back up, and it makes it so hard to get an entry. So could just do that today. Could just grind it all the way and retrace his whole move back up. But it doesn't do it in a way that I like. It does it like this. It'll chop back and forth all the way up all day long until it retraces this whole move. Chop, chop, chop. And then bang, you get there. I hope it doesn't do that today, because I don't like those. I don't like those days. Lost a spot on the back of your head? Nah, I'm getting the alleys, dude. My hair's starting to recede up this way. That's why I got to do the old butt part. That's why I got to do the butt part. If I go like to the side or something, you really see the receding hairline there. Yeah, but short term here, I think we go up and break this high right here. And then I'd like to see something like this. That's what I'd want to see right there. Be nice. And the reason I say that is because we got equal lows down here. Equal lows. So I hope we come back and get these equal lows at some point. Dude, this would be picture perfect right here. This would be picture perfect though. Kind of break this wick right here. Do a little something like here. Accumulation. Manipulation. And then distribute down here. Equal highs. Dude, I got this equal high and low indicator here. It's pretty sweet. It marks them all out. It marks them out here. It's pretty sweet, dude. If you don't have it, I'd get it. The equal highs and lows. Somebody just put in the Discord. Let's go, dude. Chuckle's killing it here. Chuckle's killing it. Yeah, just waiting on a setup here, though. And I do think it goes up from here. I think it goes up. The only thing is, we're just high off of this move here, so I wouldn't want to take this play here. The only way I would take a long is if we got some kind of sweep. So if this would have came down and swept this, then I would have been looking for a long back up. But it didn't do that. So now I'm waiting on a sweep of this to look for a short. And that's why I say, like, it's hard for me to do a daily analysis. Like, I can do a daily analysis, right? I mean, I can do one. Daily analysis, of course, for today would be at some point go down and get these equal lows, though. That's the main analysis for today. We're driving into this big 4-hour gap here. Do we come up here on the 4 hour? Do we come all the way up here? See, that's you just got to look for these kind of areas of interest, and then have your model. See, so one of these areas here, somewhere in here, good short could happen. The hardest part though is just being patient, waiting on those areas to come. That's the hardest part. Like, you can have a model that works great, but if you use it at the wrong time, every model is gonna fail. So you gotta know when to use it. You gotta know when to use your model. Yeah, I think we're gonna go up here though. I think we'll make it up here. What's up, Joyce? What's going on? Good morning. Good morning. You guys want to see what I'm about to make? I'm about to make this right here for jewelry. This is an amethyst stone here. Amethyst. Making a little cap for it, like an amethyst teardrop stone. I'm gonna be making a little cap for it with some diamonds around it. It's actually not gonna be a pendant. I put a bell on it, but these are gonna be earrings. I got two of these. I'm gonna make these earrings, and then I got two more that kind of look like this, but they look a little bit different. And I'm gonna do a cool design, and I'm gonna look like gold dripping down it. I'm gonna do the other one like gold dripping down it. So it's gonna look pretty cool. Pretty cool. But guys, if you want a low-key prop firm that's like Apex, Phidias is running a 90% off sale right now. I just got an email. Phidias is running a Father's Day special, 90% off. They're low-key, dude. They pay. They don't have any drama. They're kind of like Bull Knox in that aspect. They use Rhythmic, I think. I've used them on Quantower, so Rhythmic. I don't know if they have Tradeify. But yeah, Phidias, kind of like Bull Knox, low-key prop firm. Pretty much the same as Apex. Yeah, if you want some cheap accounts, you can get them. Yeah, man. Of course. Of course. One more like for a giveaway. One more like. There it is. 100 likes. We're doing a giveaway later. We'll do a giveaway later. I'll put it over here. Just get it set up for later. Man, dude. Will Price do something here? Just come up here and then we can look for a short. $8 o'clock candle coming up here. Let's see if it just burst up or not. 25 seconds here. See if we just burst up. Be nice if this candle would just drive and then look for a short. But it may just be one of those grind up days. Hope not. But I still have to trade my Tradeify accounts. I have to trade my Tradeify accounts. My Top Step accounts are up 1,000 each on my Top Step account, so that's good. May just need one more tap back into this inversion here. But we do have equal lows down here, so I wish I would have hit up here first if it's gonna come down. Yeah, Ivan, I go to work. I go to work. Now, if this does it here, it might be a nice little long. But let me just see. Let me see what it'd be risking and stuff. Only risking about 10 points. If it would do it. Appreciate it, Jans. Yeah, Stefan. Yep. It's a jewelry store. It's a jewelry store. Dude, the way these candles are moving right now, it is not fun. It is not fun. Coming down here. Let's see. Oh, there was a little inversion here, 3 minute, but don't really like that. I want to see it come up here. See if it could hold this gap. See if he can hold this gap right here. A little sweep. Got a little sweep right here. So let's see if it can drive up. Let's go, red candles. Hit your entry. Let's go. If it inverses this, it's risky, but it could work. I'm not really looking for longs just because these equal lows down here, but if it inverses this, it could work up to here. I'm not going to take it, but it could work. It could work. But I don't think it does because kind of got like a breaker here. Higher high, lower low. Oh, man. Why couldn't it just do what we wanted? All it had to do was come up a wee bit more. Break this little high up here. Yeah, New York session might be pretty good. New York session might be all right today, maybe. Had a good Asian session, or at least one good move. London session, bunch of chop, pretty much. Bunch of chop, and then New York session might be pretty good today. So, that might be it. New York session. All right, let's set up this giveaway here. To be in the giveaway, you have to like the stream and join the Discord. You have to join the Discord because I'm going to message you in Discord. And if you're not in the Discord, if you're not joined in the Discord, you're not going to get the account. So I was lenient last time, but this time, if you're not in it, if you win, if you're not already in the Discord, I'll redo it. Let me see here. Keyword. Is going to be 1. And channel members will get a 3-time multiplier. I haven't even started it yet, but I'm about to. Okay, started. Type 1 if you want to be in the giveaway. Yo, thanks for the sub, Rustin. Rustam and Sergio, thanks for the sub. Let's go. Prop Doc is in the Discord. Let's go, dude. In the Discord here. In the Discord. I'll do the giveaway at 8:20. 8:20. I'm gonna do the giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway at 8:20. We got Maradamar, channel member, gonna get 3-time multiplier. He's gonna get a 3-time multiplier. Let's go. Raider, if you just stay in here and be a good person, we might let you in. You gotta be around for a little bit. You can't just come in here on day one. Just hang out, be active in here, and then we'll see. Just be active, hang out, share some trades, trade ideas, and yeah. Starting to come down here. It's just moving like a snail. It's moving like a snail, man. Let's get some action here. Let's get some action. Let's get some action here. That's what I'm waiting on. Something like that to happen. With an inversion. All right. Doing a giveaway in 4 minutes. Got 53 people in here. What's up, everybody? What up, what up? All right, now it may be coming up here, hopefully. Guys ready? We're gonna do the duck race. Duck race. All right, let's do it. I'm going to pick 15 people. 15 people starting now. First one right there. I'll just move this over here. Next one. TTBZ's in there. Let's go. Coach Fred in there. Jans is in there. Stefan. Tea Coffee. Maratamar, there he is, channel member in there. Empowerment TV's in there. Futures Trader in there. Lobber Dobber. Navigator Sam here. Red Candles. HR. Let's go. All right, one more. We got 15 already. I'm going to do one more. One more right here. Paul. And I'm going to put our moderator in there. We got Void. Void and Sizz up in there. Devin. Devin and Sizz. Our mods. So you guys ready to run it here or what? Alrighty, let's do this thing. 3, 2. Oh, what the heck? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let me turn this off. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see who's gonna win. Let's go, Smokey. Holy cow, dude. Killing it. You're killing it, brother. Who's gonna win here? Sizz is in the back with that red spotted duck. Don't count the people in the back out, because they always seem to come up and win it. They always seem to come up from behind. They always seem to come from behind. I see that. I'm watching it on the other screen here. It would do that when we're doing a giveaway. Oh, it's breaking out of there. I'm watching it on the other screen. Look at Tea Coffee with a Trump duck. Three, two, one. The pirate duck lobber dobber won it. Lobber dobber. Who's lobber dobber? Lobber dobber, what's your Discord name? Type your Discord name into YouTube here. Type your Discord name into YouTube. All right, buddy. Smokey. The need machine. All right, let's see. Now type in the open chat right here. Go into Discord and type in the open chat and I'll DM you. I'll DM you. All right, guys. Everybody have a good day. I'm going to be on a few more minutes here. Try to catch a trade if we get one. We're going to try to catch a trade. We could get one. Lobber dobber, type in the Discord in the open chat here, and I'll DM you. I just add, there he is. All right, gotcha. Bro, you gotta... Lobber, you gotta accept my friend request before I can DM you. You got your DMs off. Yeah, no problem. No problem, buddy. Come on, dude. Give us what we want here. Price. And I'll take a trade. What's up? What's up, Echo Blade? Echo Blade, what's going on? See, but this is what they mean when they say you have to be patient. You have to be patient. Are we getting a tweener right here? Are we getting a tweener? Are we getting a tweener? You know what they call tweener? I don't think this is going to be one, but it's in between the two wicks here. Call it a tweener. What up, Pine Tree? We got a celebrity in the house here. We got Pine Tree Trader. A celebrity. What's going on, man? You been crushing it lately or what? You been crushing it lately or what? SMT divergence? Let me see here. Let me see here. This thing isn't detecting any SMT right now. It usually does, though. Right here. SMT. SMT. Might be a small one. You got a little carried away last night? Let me see here. Oh yeah. It is, isn't it? Well, no. Oh, yeah, they're both on it. Dang. I don't know how to make it where they don't both switch. Yep. SMT right here, buddy. Yeah, Madison, that's what I'm waiting on. I want to see something like this. That's what I'm waiting on here. Trying to be patient. Trying to be patient for it. Man, dude. I could have slept in here. Yeah, Bowser, I'm not really using it. I just marked it out. I'm not really using it. I just marked it out here. But, yeah. Still waiting on my level here. But you can kind of use it like as a confluence. So, like if I had an idea here and then we got an SMT, it just kind of adds to your confidence level. Just boost your confidence level up, you know. Most of the time I don't even look for it though. I just have my ideas, and if I get them, I take them. But if I happen to have this little indicator on or something, and I see it says SMT like this, just gives me a little confidence. But that's about it. Yeah, Pine Tree, did you make some money on that or what? You lost some money? What happened, dude? You gotta let us know. You gotta let us know, Pine Tree, what happened? I feel that, dude. I feel that, pine tree. I feel that. Man, just waiting on this here. It might just not happen. Just in a grind up chop zone here. Oh gosh. Dude, come on, dude. Give us what we want. Give us what we want. Give the people what they want here. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Tradeify, you can pass and activate same day. Dude, that's pretty OP. That's pretty OP. I may have to even just switch to those instead of the dude, that's good to know. Cause I've just been buying straight to funded. Oh dude, my chart's messed up here. Nobody gonna let me know my chart wasn't covering the whole screen? Dang, dude. Yeah, because I've just been buying the straight to fundeds. I might have to switch over to that now, save some money. Didn't know that. I did not know that. Oh gosh, I mean, when you just sit at the charts here for 2 hours and then it's not doing anything, it just makes you upset. You know, it makes me upset. Makes me wish I just would have stayed in bed. Makes me just wish I would have stayed in bed here. Welcome to the chop zone. Welcome to the chop zone. It is almost the weekend, dude. I'm excited, man. But I still gotta work this weekend, dude. I gotta get this Discord set up and ready to roll here. I gotta get this thing ready to roll. I gotta get a Discord ready to roll. Dude, I got 2 available. I could get a tag here. I could get a tag with 1 more boost. Welcome to the chop zone. Chop zone. Let me go see. Nah, I'll just lob her. Let me see if you replied. All right. Yeah, I got it right here. I just got to send him this email, and then I'll let you know what he says. I'll send it over right now. I'll send it over right now. All right. I sent it. I sent it, bro. Dude, I gotta show y'all something here. Look at my little cat. Chilling, dude. Look how cute he is. Name is Chip, the Chipster. Cute, ain't he? The Chipster. It's the Chipster. The Chipster. All right, are we gonna start coming down here? I guess I could have drew it the bottom down here. That's awful. That's an awful drawing. Let me redo it. But this is just kind of like, feel like this isn't like the real bottom. The chop zone. No, my girlfriend does. My girlfriend, she's got one big Great Dane and a little small kitten. The Chipster. Well, looks like our plan just isn't going to work out here right now. But guys, if I were you, that's what I would look for. That's what I would look for today. It looks like we're not going to get it on stream, but if this happens today, this is what you should be looking for. You either want it... Let me delete this. You're either... Because we got equal lows down here, right? So, this is what you want to be looking for. You want it a drive above here. Well, it doesn't even have to be a drive above there. It just has to... You want to drive up above this wick right here. So this gray line is what I'd be looking for. Drive above this gray line. It'd be nice if it did something like this. And then you get a spike up. And then an inversion back down all the way to the equal lows down here. Let me, I'm actually going to put this in my commentary section. So, this is what I would look for today. I just like to use fair value gaps and inversion fair value gaps. And then I like to use basic concepts too, like support and resistance. Because I feel like this is a good zone up here because it's to reject. Because look at how many times it was used as support. So it would make sense that it'd be used as a resistance zone now. We broke below it. Makes sense. So I basically just kind of like combine the two. So basic support and resistance levels and inversion fair value gaps. Pretty much. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be it for me today. Keep an eye out if this happens. Be a good setup. So what I would do is TTBZ. I'd wait on a sweep above this wick right here, and then I would start to look for a good inversion. If it's a sharp one, if it goes straight up and right back down, it might not be the best one, because this is the best. This is the best scenario right here. It kind of chops and then makes one more spike higher, and then you want the gap to be in here. So then on a close below this gap, I would take a sell with my stop loss, a close back above. So it'd be like this. So if you get a close like that below the fair value gap, take your short position. Stop loss on a close back above the gap. And then at the first liquidity level, you go to break even. So then break even and take some partials along the way. But that'd be the full target. Break even would be, I mean, I don't know where the liquidity level is right now, but like a break even right there or so. But yeah, that's what I'd be looking for today. Yes, sir. But hope you guys have a good day. Let me know how you're doing in the Discord here. We got the open chat, the charts where you can post your trades and ideas and stuff in here. And if you make a little bit of money, post it up in here. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Hope everybody has a good day. And I'll see you next week live streaming in the Discord. Make sure you're there. Don't be square. All right. Peace. See ya.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals.